Imagine earning over $128,000 every single month. Not from just one job, but from 12 different income streams. Sounds like a lot? It is, but it's also entirely possible. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how I'm doing it. Whether you're looking to add a new income stream or build a full portfolio, stick around because I'm about to break down all 12 streams, including some you might not have considered yet. By the end of this video, you'll know what these income streams are, how they work, and what it takes to set them up. I'm talking everything from online businesses to investments and unique opportunities that might surprise you. No fluff, just real strategies that are bringing in real income. First up, automated e-commerce stores. E-commerce is booming, but what if you don't need to manage inventory, handle shipping, or even run day-to-day operations? That's where automated e-commerce comes in. I've set up several stores that run on autopilot, using dropshipping and fulfillment services like Shopify and Amazon FBA. Once systems are in place, product sourcing, customer service, and marketing, it's mostly hands-off. This stream alone contributes a significant portion to my monthly income. Now, let's move into the mobile space, developing apps that generate income while you sleep. Mobile apps are everywhere, and they're not just for big tech companies. I've developed and monetized a few apps that generate consistent income through ads, in-app purchases, and premium upgrades. You don't need to be a coding expert. Platforms like AppyPie or Buildfire let you create apps with little to no coding. The key is finding a niche, whether it's a utility app, a game, or something that solves a specific problem. Speaking of digital income, let's explore content licensing and how it brings in steady cash. Content licensing is an often overlooked income stream, but it's one of my favorites because it's all about leveraging content you've already created. I've licensed a variety of my digital assets to different platforms, bringing in consistent royalties. Platforms like Shutterstock for images, Audio Jungle for music, or even directly licensing video content to brands are great places to start. The key is creating high-quality content that has broad appeal or serves a specific niche market. Next, let's dive into the world of SaaS, software as a service. SaaS, software as a service, is one of the most lucrative income streams I've developed. Essentially, it's software provided on a subscription basis. I co-founded a SaaS platform that caters to a specific industry need, and it's now generating significant monthly recurring revenue, MRR. SaaS is powerful because of the recurring income. Customers subscribe to your software and pay monthly or annually. This creates a stable, predictable income stream. Now, let's see how investing in renewable energy can also become a reliable income source. Renewable energy is not just good for the planet, it's also a smart investment. I've invested in renewable energy projects, specifically in solar and wind farms, and they've become a reliable income stream through dividends and returns. You can invest directly in projects through platforms like Wonder Capital, or consider ETFs focusing on renewable energy companies. These investments typically offer consistent returns, especially as the world shifts toward sustainable energy. Let's switch gears to something more secure: high-yield savings accounts and CDs. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, may not sound exciting, but they are essential components of a diversified income portfolio. These accounts offer higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, providing a safe, low-risk way to grow your money. Online banks like Ally and Marcus by Goldman Sachs offer some of the best rates. While this might not be your primary income stream, it's a smart place to park cash that you might need access to in the short term. Next, let's talk about how private equity investments have become a lucrative part of my income. Private equity involves investing in private companies before they go public. These investments can yield substantial returns, especially if the companies are later acquired or go public. I've been part of a few successful ventures that have significantly boosted my monthly income. Platforms like Fundrise and AngelList are making private equity more accessible. The key is to diversify your investments across different sectors and stages to mitigate risk. Let's shift to something intellectual, investing in intellectual property. Investing in intellectual property, IP, includes things like patents, trademarks, and licensing rights for creative works. I've invested in several IPs that generate royalties and licensing fees, adding a steady income stream to my portfolio. Platforms like Royalty Exchange make it easier to buy and sell music royalties or other IP assets. Creating your own IP, whether it's inventing a product, writing a book, or creating a brand, can also be incredibly lucrative. Now, let's talk about how subscription services provide consistent monthly revenue. Subscription services provide reliable monthly income. I run a couple of subscription-based businesses, one focused on curated products and another on digital content. The beauty of this model is that once you've acquired a customer, they continue to pay monthly or annually, providing consistent revenue. For physical products, services like Cratejoy can help you launch a subscription box. For digital products, platforms like Patreon or Substack make it easy to monetize content. Next, let's discuss how real estate crowdfunding has become an important part of my portfolio. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in properties without buying or managing them directly. I've diversified my real estate investments by participating in crowdfunding projects through platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul. These platforms allow you to invest in commercial or residential properties with as little as a few $100s. The returns come in the form of rental income and property appreciation, making it a solid addition to my income portfolio. Now, let's talk about domain flipping, buying low and selling high. Domain flipping involves buying domain names at a low price and selling them later at a premium. I've flipped several domains, sometimes turning a few $100s into several thousand. The trick is to spot trends early and buy domain names that might be in demand as businesses and online platforms grow. Platforms like GoDaddy Auctions or Flippa are great places to start. It's a low-maintenance income stream. Once you own a domain, you simply list it for sale and wait for the right buyer. Finally, let's talk about investing in art and collectibles as a long-term income strategy. Investing in art and collectibles might sound old school, but it's one of the most exciting and profitable income streams I've explored. From paintings and sculptures to rare coins and vintage cars, these assets can appreciate significantly over time. Platforms like Masterworks allow fractional ownership of high-value art, making it accessible to everyday investors. For collectibles, research is key. Understand the market, know what makes certain items valuable, and stay updated on trends. So, there you have it. 12 diverse income streams that are helping me generate over $128,000 each month. Building multiple income streams isn't just about money. It's about creating financial security and freedom to live life on your terms. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, I hope this video has given you ideas and inspiration to build your own streams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. And if you have any questions or want to share your own income stream ideas, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Here's to your financial success. Let's make it happen.